Hi guys, so today we're going to play kreekcraft's new game called Explosion. So, let's get started, I guess. So this game's called Explosion, and the description is, this game will crash your entire PC. I hope that does not happen to us. Okay, so let's get started. Taking a while to load. Okay. So, oh my, what is going on? What is this? This is, something. This is something, all right. Wait, what is this? Let me click in it. Oh. What's going on? This thing's lagging like crazy. Hopefully it doesn't really crash my entire PC. Okay, so we have Flamingo. We have a kid. I don't know. I can't see anything in here. This is, Okay, let me get out of here. Did that button do anything? No. Is this just kreekcraft's new game? This is crazy. There's a tree. Oh, there's a tree house here. So, oh my, guys, are you seeing what I'm seeing? Okay, this is just a normal tree house. What the, there's a strawberry up there. He's trying to run. Okay, this game is a bit weird. Don't you think? Don't you think? There's Jeff. Okay, yeah, that's kreekcraft's new game. Yeah, this is getting too crazy. What just happened? I was just about to leave, but did I just die? Why am I so slow? Seek? What in the world? Yeah, I just died. This game's too crazy. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye.